Did you know that a single volcanic eruption can blast out enough ash to bury a city, and even alter the global climate for years? It's true. The power locked beneath Earth's crust is almost beyond imagination. But what happens when that power is unleashed on a scale we've never witnessed in human history? Today we're journeying back in time to uncover the single largest volcanic eruption our planet has ever experienced. This isn't just a story about a big volcano. It's about an event that reshaped the world and pushed life to the very brink of existence. Stick around because the answer will blow your mind. One of the biggest hurdles for geologists and paleontologists is peering back into the deep past. It's like trying to solve a billion-piece puzzle with most of the pieces missing. When we talk about ancient cataclysms, the evidence is often scattered, buried under miles of rock or eroded away by time. For volcanic eruptions, scientists have to become detectives. They analyze layers of ancient rock for ash deposits, study ice cores from Antarctica that trap atmospheric particles, and look for chemical signatures that signal a massive release of volcanic gases. It's a painstaking process to reconstruct an event that happened millions of years ago, trying to figure out not just when it happened, but how big it was and what its devastating consequences were for the planet. Our story takes us back roughly 252 million years, to the end of the Permian period. This was a time before the dinosaurs, when strange and wonderful creatures roamed a single supercontinent called Pangaea. In a region we now know as Siberia, something started to stir deep within the earth. A massive plume of molten rock or magma began rising from the mantle. This wasn't your typical volcano building a cone-shaped mountain. This was a large igneous province, an event where unimaginable volumes of lava erupt from vast fissures in the ground, flooding the landscape. Over hundreds of thousands of years, this eruption continued, pouring out enough lava to cover an area the size of Western Europe, several kilometers deep. We call this cataclysm the Siberian Traps. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. The Siberian Traps eruption wasn't just big. It was the biggest volcanic event in the last half-billion years. It's considered the prime suspect for the most severe extinction event in Earth's history, known as the Great Dying. This eruption released catastrophic amounts of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. The CO2 caused runaway global warming, while the sulfur dioxide created acid rain that poisoned the oceans. As the oceans became more acidic and lost oxygen, marine life suffocated. On land, the scorching temperatures and toxic air wiped out entire ecosystems. All told, this single prolonged volcanic event is believed to have wiped out about 96% of all marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. It was the closest life on Earth has ever come to being completely extinguished. So the next time you see a volcano, remember the Siberian Traps. It's a humbling reminder of the immense geological forces that have shaped our planet's history. This colossal eruption didn't just create a vast field of volcanic rock. It triggered a mass extinction that reset the course of evolution, eventually paving the way for the age of dinosaurs. It's truly incredible to think about the power our planet holds. What are your thoughts on such massive geological events? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by Earth's dramatic history, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world.